Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Ninjago Dojo is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after sets for any LEGO enthusiast, offering a deep dive into the world of ninjas, their training, and their epic battles, making it a fantastic centerpiece for any collection and a gateway to endless imaginative play scenarios that will captivate both young builders and seasoned collectors alike. Number 5. LEGO Star Wars The Razor Crest 75292. Embark on an epic building adventure with this detailed LEGO brick model of the Razor Crest starship. It's inspired by the iconic ship from Star Wars, The Mandalorian. Bring your favorite characters to life with included minifigures of the Mandalorian, Greef Karga, Scout Trooper, and the Child, also known as Baby Yoda. An IG-11 droid figure is also included. This starship is ready for action with a dual minifigure cockpit, 2 spring-loaded shooters, and a detachable escape pod for daring getaways. Discover the detailed interior, featuring opening side boarding ramps for easy access. Inside, you'll find carbonite bounty elements and a cozy sleeping area. Recreate thrilling battles from The Mandalorian and the Child's journey. Engage in exciting play with the included weapons and accessories. This collectible LEGO Star Wars set is the perfect birthday present or any day gift for boys and girls aged 10 and up. It's an ideal present for any Star Wars fan. What we like. This set brings the iconic Razor Crest ship to life with incredible detail. It includes beloved characters and fun play features like a detachable escape pod. If you are a fan of The Mandalorian and love collecting unique minifigures, this is a must-have for your collection. What people say. The build is ingenious, the cockpit and the engines being particularly well done and exciting to consider in building and viewing. The ship itself is very sturdy and very detailed for its size. It's like a mini UCS set, making it a great display for adults. It's also still awesome as a toy. The interior is very functional with space for Mando to sleep, a roomy 2-seat cockpit, storage for 3 extra missiles, a little play space, 2 slots for the captured bounties, plus an area to store extra weapons behind the cockpit. Number 4. LEGO Ninjago Legacy Monastery of Spinjitzu 70670. Relive epic moments from the Ninjago Masters of Spinjitzu TV show. This set features new versions of popular models for endless imaginative play. Build the Monastery of Spinjitzu with interactive features like a tea room and training stations. Kids can use the spinning toys to prepare for ninja battles. This set includes 8 iconic Ninjago minifigures and all 4 golden weapons. It's perfect for recreating classic conflicts and creating new adventures. This action toy can be built with all other original LEGO sets and bricks. It's a great addition for hours of creative fun. With over 1,070 pieces, this playset measures over 11 inches high when closed. It's the perfect ninja toy for boys and girls aged 9+. What we like. This Monastery of Spinjitzu set is a fantastic way to relive classic Ninjago moments. It comes with all 4 golden weapons and offers interactive training stations for endless ninja battles. If you're a longtime Ninjago fan looking to recreate epic scenes from the TV show, this set is perfect for you. What people say. I really love all the small details to the monastery, and it's been great working with him on it and just seeing him think. He usually walks away from things when he gets bored, but with this he sat for hours just putting each piece together. Great build to keep him off screen time. It has a lot of minifigures, which my kids loved. The set features some cool action elements, like a flying golden chicken, windows that fly open, secret doors, and ninja training equipment. It's a perfect set because it does bring back seeing you can do whip also modern ones today, but the monastery doesn't have many space to put the minifigure in to interact, but just for show and to hide the golden weapons. Aside from that, it's a pretty good set. Number 3. LEGO Ninjago Ninja Dojo Temple 71767. Help your heroes train and become masters of Spinjitzu in this incredible 3-tiered dojo. It's packed with training areas and rooms for endless adventures. Discover 5 exciting rooms within the dojo, including a tea room, a workshop, and an armory filled with awesome weapons. There are so many ways to play. Join your favorite ninjas like Lloyd, Kai, and Naya, along with Master Wu. But watch out, the Snake Warriors Boa Destructor and Cobra Mechanic are ready to attack. Join the ninjas in their secret dojo to hone your Spinjitzu skills. Be ready to defend the doors when the sneaky snakes try to break in with their rammer. After completing your mission, you'll earn a special wisdom banner to display on the roof. Collect banners from other sets to complete your collection. This impressive 1,394-piece set can be combined with other Ninjago sets for even more action. It makes a fantastic birthday gift for any young ninja fan. What we like. This Ninja Dojo temple offers a multi-level training ground for your ninja heroes. It features 5 distinct rooms, including a tier room and armory, providing diverse play scenarios. If you enjoy building detailed Ninjago environments and love the idea of collecting mission banners, this dojo is an excellent addition. What people say. The minifigures are fun and there are a lot of them. The miniature vehicles are easy to assemble and look great. This set is so detailed and beautifully designed. Set detalhado y cayo de segredos. Recomendo a todos os faz de Lego. Number 2. Lego Ninjago City Gardens 71741 Building Kit. Discover the spectacular 5-tiered ninja house, a perfect build and display model to celebrate a decade of Ninjago adventures. Bring your stories to life with an incredible 19 minifigures, including fan favorites and new characters, ready for any roleplay scenario. Explore detailed rooms inspired by the ninja's rich history, complete with accessories that add depth to every play session. Easily access all the action as each of the 5 tiers lifts off, and use the pull-up and pull-down ladder for dynamic play. This massive 5,685-piece playset makes a fantastic birthday gift for any Ninjago or Lego enthusiast. It's also a wonderful opportunity for a parent and child to build together. What we like. The Ninjago City Gardens is a truly spectacular and massive build, perfect for display and play. It boasts an incredible 19 minifigures and intricately detailed rooms inspired by Ninjago history. If you are a dedicated Ninjago enthusiast looking for a grand centerpiece or a challenging build to share with family, this set is an unparalleled choice. What people say. The LEGO Ninjago City Gardens, 71741, is an absolute dream set for Ninjago fans and modular building enthusiasts alike. Celebrating 10 years of Ninjago, this towering, colorful, and highly detailed set is one of the best city-style builds LEGO has ever created. With a massive 5,685 pieces, this build is packed with intricate details, hidden Easter eggs, and vibrant architecture. The multi-level design creates an exciting, bustling city filled with shops, apartments, a tea house, an arcade, and even a ninja training area. Every section is unique, packed with personality, and full of surprises. The design and building techniques are incredible, from the angled roofs to the curved bridges and the creative use of parts. The gardens and water features add a peaceful and natural element, balancing the city's vibrant energy. The modular build allows for easy access to every level, making it fun for both display and play. Number 1. LEGO Ninjago Ninja Training Center 71764. Get ready for action with the Ninja Training Center. This interactive playset lets kids train their ninja heroes through a series of exciting challenges. The set comes with 3 minifigures, Zane and Jay, both armed with swords, and the formidable Boa Destructor. Stage thrilling, death-defying battles with these awesome characters. Place a ninja in the spinner, pull the ripcord, and watch them compete. They'll face challenges like jumping a snake pit and fighting a dummy mech. Complete your missions and be rewarded with a special balance banner. It's a new collectible for January 2022, perfect for displaying on the training center. Discover even more rewards in other Ninjago sets. Look for banners in 7 other amazing sets, including Kai's Fire Dragon and Lloyd's Legendary Dragon. What we like. This Ninja Training Center focuses on interactive ninja action with its spinning toy feature. Kids can engage in various challenges, including battling a snake pit and a dummy mech. If you're looking for a set that emphasizes active play and skill-based challenges for younger ninjas, this training center is an ideal pick. What people say. It could be a nice stand-alone set by itself or a nice expansion to the Temple Dojo set, which is really cool. Tons of play value, amazing figure selection, and connects to the bigger castle from that line. You even get one of those spinning things to introduce you to the line. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.